Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Matt here, and today I got an Amazon buy for you. This is the Amazon Basic Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard right here behind me. As you can see, it is 36 inches long and 24 inches wide. It is a great product to have in your office, home, or whatever you're going to be using it for. I absolutely love it so far. I love just keeping track of stuff. As you can see here, I've already got it stuff written down. It's very high quality. Sometimes you'll get like some bad quality stuff. Like this is from the Dollar General, and it just does not. Over time, like at first it was working well, but just over time it just started to like, just didn't want it to erase all the way. Even if I put a wet napkin or whatever the case may be, or the spray, it just won't come off. So this board right here that I got off Amazon, it's highly recommended. It's got over 4-star reviews. Very easy to install. I wish I would have got an install video about it, but it's not that hard. You pretty much figure out the height you want to put it at, put your level, and then mark your holes in these little end caps here. You could take these things off, and right inside of there is where your screw goes, and it's pretty convenient. Absolutely love it. And then you just put that cap back on, make your marks, drill it, put it in, level it. Not that hard at all. You really just need to figure out the first two, and then the next two you just put them right in. So it's pretty quick and easy to install. It literally took me about 20 minutes, maybe, not even. I'm pretty good at installing stuff like that, but for other people it may be a little bit more difficult. But like I said, figure out the height you want it at, put the level here, mark your holes, and then that's it. Then you gotta put the hardware in, and that's it. Cover them, and there you go. So if you guys are interested in getting this 36 by 24 inch white magnetic erase board on Amazon, I highly recommend it. Definitely gonna be using it a lot. I'm already using it now, so yeah, absolutely love it. And if you guys want, there's these accessories that you can buy with it. They don't come with it, but if you guys are interested in looking into getting something like this, I absolutely love this accessory though, like because it just fits right here on this little lip right there. Um, so it doesn't slide or anything. You don't have to worry about it coming off like most stuff. But that's another accessory that I do have with it, because this does not come with it, nor the markers and stuff like that. But absolutely love it, because this is how I'm keeping it right now. I cannot complain about it. And if you guys don't have a dry erase marker board in your office or home, I highly recommend getting one to stay organized. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe. If you guys are interested in buying the whiteboard, the link is in the bio. I'll see you on the next one.